Your car might be silently dying, and you don't even know it. Most people focus only on oil, but ignoring these crucial fluids can lead to catastrophic engine failure. Today, we're revealing the 10 fluids you must replace regularly, especially number 3, which most drivers forget and regret. 1. Engine oil. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your car. It lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and helps dissipate heat. Without it, metal components grind against each other, creating wear and potentially catastrophic engine damage. Over time, oil collects dirt, debris, and combustion byproducts, which reduce its effectiveness. Regular oil changes, typically every 5,000 to 10,000 miles depending on your vehicle and oil type, keep your engine running smoothly. High-mileage cars may require synthetic blends to maintain protection. Ignoring oil changes is one of the fastest ways to ruin an engine, and even a small delay can lead to expensive repairs. 2. Transmission fluid. Transmission fluid is more than just a lubricant. It ensures smooth gear shifts, cools transmission components, and prevents corrosion inside the transmission system. Low or old transmission fluid can cause hard shifts, gear slipping, overheating, or even complete transmission failure. Many drivers forget this fluid until it's too late because transmission issues don't always have warning signs. Regular replacement, typically every 30,000 to 60,000 miles depending on the vehicle, prevents premature wear and extends transmission life. Keep an eye on color too. Dark or burnt-smelling fluid signals it's time for a change. 3. Coolant antifreeze. Coolant is one of the most critical yet overlooked fluids. It regulates engine temperature, preventing overheating in summer and freezing in winter. Many drivers assume that water alone is sufficient, but it's not. Old or contaminated coolant can cause overheating, radiator corrosion, blown head gaskets, and severe engine damage. Flushing and replacing coolant every 2 to 4 years keeps your engine safe. Don't forget the radiator cap and hoses. Leaks can reduce effectiveness. Remember, coolant is a silent protector. Neglecting it often leads to the most expensive repairs. 4. Brake fluid. Brake fluid is literally one of the most important fluids in your car, and it can be a true lifesaver in critical moments. When you press the brake pedal, brake fluid transfers that force through the hydraulic system, allowing your brakes to engage and bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Over time, however, brake fluid can absorb moisture from the air, which lowers its boiling point and reduces braking efficiency. This can increase stopping distances and, in extreme cases, cause complete brake failure. Many drivers overlook this, but replacing brake fluid regularly, typically every 2 years, is essential for maintaining reliable braking performance. Regular checks prevent dangerous situations, ensure your safety on the road, and help avoid expensive repairs. Never underestimate the importance of healthy brake fluid. 5. Power steering fluid. Power steering fluid is essential for making steering smooth and effortless, especially in larger vehicles or during tight maneuvers. This fluid transmits the hydraulic pressure needed to turn the wheels easily, reducing strain on the driver. When the fluid becomes low or degraded, steering can feel heavy, noisy, or jerky, and the power steering pump may suffer damage over time. Many drivers only notice problems once severe symptoms appear, which can lead to costly repairs if ignored. Regularly checking fluid levels and replacing it according to the manufacturer's schedule, usually around every 50,000 miles, helps prevent these issues. For older cars, fresh power steering fluid not only ensures safer handling, but also provides a smoother, more comfortable driving experience while protecting the steering system from premature wear. 6. Differential fluid. Differential fluid lubricates the gears in the differential, which transmits power to your car's wheels. Without proper lubrication, the gears grind against each other, producing noise, heat, and wear. Low or dirty differential fluid can lead to gear failure, axle damage, and expensive repairs. Replacement schedules vary depending on driving conditions and vehicle type, but most manufacturers recommend changing it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. If you tow heavy loads or drive off-road frequently, more frequent changes are necessary. Regular differential maintenance keeps your car performing smoothly and prevents costly repairs. 7. Transfer case fluid. For all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive vehicles, the transfer case ensures power distribution to front and rear axles. Its fluid lubricates internal gears, allowing smooth operation. Neglecting transfer case fluid can lead to grinding noises, gear wear, or even complete drivetrain failure. Most manuals suggest replacement every 30,000 to 50,000 miles depending on usage. Off-road driving or towing heavy loads accelerates fluid degradation. Maintaining transfer case fluid ensures your four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive system operates efficiently and prevents sudden mechanical breakdowns. 8. Windshield washer fluid. Windshield washer fluid might seem like a small detail, but it's actually one of the most important fluids for driver safety. Clear visibility is essential, especially during rain, snow, or muddy conditions, and running out of washer fluid can leave your windshield dirty, smudged, or even hazardous. In colder climates, using a washer fluid with antifreeze properties prevents the liquid from freezing, ensuring it works even in extreme winter conditions. Neglecting it can lead to damage of the washer pump, clogged nozzles, or reduced visibility at critical moments. Regularly refilling your washer fluid is a simple, inexpensive preventive measure that keeps your windshield clean, protects the system, and ultimately safeguards your life on the road. Don't overlook this small but essential fluid. It can make all the difference. 9. Clutch fluid for manual cars. Clutch fluid, which is often shared with the brake system, plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth gear engagement in manual transmission vehicles. It transmits the pressure from your foot on the clutch pedal to the clutch assembly, allowing seamless shifting between gears. Over time, clutch fluid can absorb moisture, become contaminated, or lose its effectiveness, leading to issues like hard shifting, clutch slippage, or uneven engagement. Ignoring this fluid might not cause immediate problems, but gradually it can result in premature clutch wear, damage to hydraulic components, and costly repairs. Regular inspection and replacement, usually every 2 years or as specified by your vehicle manufacturer, ensures the clutch operates smoothly, improves driving comfort, and extends the lifespan of your transmission, keeping your car running reliably for years. 10. Fuel system additives. Fuel injector cleaner. Fuel additives, like injector cleaners, keep your fuel system free of deposits. Over time, fuel injectors, valves, and fuel lines can accumulate gunk, reducing engine performance, fuel efficiency, and causing rough idling. Adding a fuel system cleaner every 3,000 to 5,000 miles helps maintain smooth engine operation. While not technically a fluid like oil or coolant, neglecting this can silently reduce engine efficiency. Clean fuel systems improve performance, prolong engine life, and prevent costly repairs. Conclusion: your car depends on more than just oil to survive. Neglecting these 10 crucial fluids can silently damage your engine, transmission, brakes, and drivetrain. Make it a habit to check and replace them on time, especially coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid. Don't let a small oversight turn into an expensive nightmare. Keep your car healthy, extend its life, and drive safely. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with fellow drivers who might be forgetting these essential fluids.